Hi Kipsters, happy Wednesday. Welcome back for another CGI problem. So for CGI today, like always, you will need a piece of paper and you will need a pen or pencil. So I'm going to be reading this problem only 2 times today, so make sure you're listening very, very carefully. So hopefully you have your materials. I'm going to start now. 6 boys and 8 girls were playing basketball. How many children were playing basketball? 6 boys and 8 girls were playing basketball. How many children were playing basketball? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and underline my important numbers. And the important numbers I see is number 6 because that's how many boys were playing basketball. And then the number 8 because that's how many girls were playing basketball. And I'm going to just read the question one more time. How many children were playing basketball? So they want to know how many children were playing basketball all together. So do you all think that we're going to have more or less than 8 children playing basketball? More, that's correct. So since we're going to have more than 8 children playing basketball, do you all think that we're going to be adding all of the children together or taking some of the children away? That's correct. We're going to be adding all the children together. So let's jump right in and start making our picture. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw 6 circles to represent the 6 boys. And I'm going to use a black marker to represent the boys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to put the number 6 next to my 6 boys. Now I need to make 8 circles to represent the girls. And I'm going to use purple to represent my girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to put an 8 next to my 8 girls. Now, in the beginning, I asked you all, are we going to be adding all the kids together or taking some kids away? You all told me that we're going to add them all together. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add all of my boys and I'm going to add all of my girls. So let's make sure that we're crossing and counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I think we have 14, but let's go back and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So friends, how many kids do we have playing basketball together? 14. Very good. So I'm going to put a 1 and a 4. Perfect. And I'm going to circle it because I know 14 is my answer. So now that we know that we have 14, what should we do next, friends? We should make a number sentence. Perfect. So I know you guys can do it all by yourself. So I want you to make a number sentence and then I want you to show Miss Washington and I'll show you mine and we'll see if we have the same answer. So take a few moments to try to do your number sentence by yourself. No help from anyone around you. I know you can do it. And remember, we're doing addition, so make sure you're using the addition sign, not the subtraction sign. All right, I hope you've tried to do your number sentences by yourself, and I hope you're ready to show Miss Washington. So in 3, 2, 1. So hopefully you all have 6, which is the boys, plus, to represent addition, 8, which is the girls, which equals 14. So now let's read that one more time together. 6 plus 8 equals 14. or 6 and 8 is 14. So good job. Now we need to do a number bond to represent our number sentence. So this time I'll be doing my number bond with you all. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my how many circles for the number bond? 3 circles. So we're going to have part, part, whole. So I have my part, part, whole. So now what should I put in my whole? That's correct. 14. 1, 4. And that is my whole. Now what should I put in one of my parts? 6. Good job. In my last part, what should I put? 8. Perfect. So we have 6 for the boys, 8 for the girls, and 14 for all of the kids added together. There's 14 kids playing basketball. So good job, Kipsters, and keep up the good work. I will see you all on Thursday.